In this question, you have to identify the wrong statement regarding Krebs cycle. Option A, there is one point in the cycle where FAD plus is reduced to FADH2. This is true. This occurs during the conversion of succinic acid to fumaric acid, where FAD plus is reduced to FADH2. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, during conversion of succinyl-CoA to succinic acid, one molecule of GTP is synthesized. This is also true. In this step, substrate level phosphorylation occurs, resulting in the synthesis of GTP, which can be converted to ATP. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, the cycle starts with condensation of acetyl group, that is acetyl-CoA, with pyruvic acid to yield citric acid. Now, this is wrong because the Krebs cycle starts with the condensation of acetyl-CoA with oxaloacetic acid and not pyruvic acid to form citric acid. Pyruvic acid is converted to acetyl-CoA in a separate process before entering the Krebs cycle. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, there are 3 points in the cycle where NAD is reduced to NAD plus and H plus. Now, this is also true. This happens during the conversion of isocitric acid to alpha ketogluteric acid and during the conversion of alpha ketogluteric acid to succinyl-CoA. And finally, during the conversion of malic acid to oxaloacetic acid. Hence, it is also incorrect option.